The following GeoGebra app allows you practice calculating the X-intercept and the Y-intercept for a predetermined large set of lines, which you can adjust by changing either of these two sliders. We'll try to figure out exactly what the difference is between them, if there is any. So let's get started. Let's just push them both to the left. And we have the line minus y is equal to x plus 1. Now let's focus on the purple one here, the x-axis. Now it might seem counterintuitive, but to get the x-axis you set the y value, the vertical value is 0, so the y value is 0, meaning x plus 1 is 0, so x is minus 1. So I bring this across to minus 1. Just scrubbing along the actual app here on a touch screen to change the resolution to scale. Now we're going to find the y-intercept, which has an x value of 0, so we would set the x to 0, or in other words, cover it up, it's irrelevant, giving us minus y is plus 1. Swapping the sign gives us y is minus 1. Okay, we check that our answer is correct. They're both correct, and we can show the line. Okay, we'll go ahead to a new line. Now this is in y-mx slope intercept format. So it makes sense to work on the y-axis first, bring it to an intercept of 2. Now, having said that, then I wouldn't even take any notice of the fact that it's... Now I'd go back to the strategy of setting one of the variables and one of the variable terms to 0. So to get the x-intercept, the y value is 0, 2x is minus 2, x is minus 1. Which it's at the moment. We'll just do one more. We'll move this one around a bit. Okay. We'll try and get non-unit coefficients in front of the x and the y. There. Okay. Now 10 is a multiple of 2 and 5, so there will be integer solutions to this. Let's go to the x-axis first. Might be the most natural one to go to first, in that it's our number line. Before we ever went to 2 variables, we had 1 variable. The x-axis has y0, giving us 2x plus 10 is 0, 2x is minus 10, x is minus 5. Okay, now setting x is 0 for the y-axis, we get 5y is 10 and y is 2, which is where it is right now. We'll do another one and we'll show the line first just to see how that would pan out, and we'll confirm that both intercepts are correct. We'll also try to get one wrong just to see what would happen there. Okay, so let's just check our answer. We happen to be correct on the y, but not on the x. It shows the line, which makes it very easy, and just if you want to understand what the intercept is, you might show the line first. So that'll be a simpler version of this task, of course, if you show the line. Obviously, it's very, very easy that way. Okay. Let's set them both back to the origin. We get started. Okay, so let's set the y term to 0, meaning we're getting the x-axis intercept, which is minus 10. I hope you can see that. And the next we'll set the x to 0, giving us -4. 20 over -5 is -4. That's it. Thank you.